So this is a camping car, camping truck. So what you're gonna do guys is scan that barcode there, and then pag siguro mag-sign up ka, and then pag mananalo, ito ang pananaluhan. So pwedeng mag-tour sa loob, meron siyang ganyan, lahat na ito kasali. Ayan, it's Care Camps Foundation. So maganda siya. So win this RV, retail value is 100,000. Ayan. Scan here to purchase tickets now. $25 per ticket. Made in Canada. Ayan. Ang ganda ng truck guys. Oh. So, ayan. Hintayin ko. Ayan. Bali hihilain yan ng, ng sasakyan. Truck or pickup. And then dadalhin mo sa camping site. So, ito yung kanyang detailed. Ang ganda. Hintayin ko guys kasi pupunta ako sa loob. Baka manalo tayo.
I just can't use the bathroom. We don't water hook up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And then you have speakers outside, partitions out here.
Oh, it's got a seat.
Oh, yeah, it comes out 6.
Oh, there's also fridge. So nice.
So, yes, you just manage your details. And then it is also.
Ayan, ang ganda oh guys sa loob. Kompleto. May kwarto siya, may washroom, table, and bed.
You have a look inside if you want.
Sure. Yeah, I will try. Let's go.
That's why I have it open.
I'll go see. Oh, beautiful.
See what a modern RV looks like as opposed to
oh, look at this. This is so cute.
So it's
oh,
2 beds, 2 single beds
there's
there.
A stove.
And then here, this opens up into a queen size out here.
A microwave.
This opens up here.
Oh, here a bed.
Opens up, so that table
and there's 2 beds here. Look at this, guys. Camping.
And then the bathroom is very
nice.
You should have a look in the bathroom. The bathroom's worth looking at.
Closet.
It's a full bathroom.
Wow.
It's actually a decent bathroom. Very
beautiful.
Nice. Yeah. And it has a sink.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Full bath.
So all of them have a lock. So when you close it,
nice.
just push the button in and it locks everything. So all of them have it. So if the RV rocks, nothing falls out of the cabinets.
Microwave here.
And that's a big microwave.
I know this is.
That's bigger than my microwave.
Bigger than ours.
You can put a turkey in that thing.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Like it's huge.
So you can bake in that as well?
You can do everything in that sucker there. I'm pretty sure it's got everything in that thing.
Yeah, because
and then
it's
you have a double convection here.
Yeah. Oh wow.
And then you have a large freezer and fridge.
Yeah.
Also.
Beautiful. Oh.
Oh, look at the freezer though. Freezer is what you want to look at. Hold the other one. Yeah.
Freezer.
Look how big that is.
Wow.
That's deeper than mine at home. And then you have a TV, stereos on this side, hookups for laptops. You have plugs on the lower boards all around in the front and back.
Oh,
and then all your power is all right here.
Perfect. Wow. $25 per ticket.
Yeah. So you just download the QR code.
Yes.
So you just do that, and then it'll prompt you on everything. And once you've done everything, it'll send you the receipt right to your phone.
All right.
Yeah, everything gets done right away.
I think my husband did.
Yeah, and it is 100% to charity. Nothing goes through any operation or anything like that, and it's tax deductible.
Wow.
You're welcome.
I wish.
Well,
that's
if you win it,
yes,
you can keep it, or you can sell it. It's up to you.
I can keep it.
You can keep it. Yes.
Well, if I will sell, then it's different.
But it's
we
also
want to go for camping.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. But it's also good it's a good charity, so it's worth it.
All right, thank you very much. Ang ganda guys, ang ganda, grabe. Pinasok ko talaga sa loob. Malaki siya, 2 bedrooms plus 1 bed sa salas. Napakaganda. Pag manalo ako dyan, $25 per ticket. Kahit isa lang siguro kung manalo. Naku, napakaswerte. Alright. Charity do. Meron pa dito ang isang peryahan na banda. So pupunta tayo dito. Ayan, medyo maano na. Madami na ang tao, pero medyo malamig. It's beautiful though. Alright, ano naman dito? Oh, fire station. So there's a fire station here. Ayan ang bata. Quebec Street Fire Station. Ayan oh, may peryaan. Tapos doon tayo pa. I think. Alright. So, ito ang ganap dito sa CNE. Kami ay pauwi na, guys. So, Canadian National Exhibition Toronto was starting 1951. Wow. Matagal na nilang sinaselebrate ang Canada Exhibition Canada Exhibition Toronto CNE Canada National Exhibition. Ayan, ito na yung way namin pa uwi, guys. Uwi na kami. Ayan ang exit. We had so much fun today after few hours na naglakad-lakad dito. Alright, bye everyone.